Hi everyone, welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will be painting this cherry blossom tree painting, the fourth in my series, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Okay, so today's painting I'm going to start with a dark sky, like nighttime, and then I'm going to do purple and then pink near the bottom. So we'll start with that. Purple underneath here. Okay, so now that I have the darker area with the purple, I'm going to add some pink blending near the bottom. See how that looks? Blending done, I'm just going to let it dry for a few minutes and then we'll add some other stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to do some stars up in the top sky area. I'm just going to use this brush. I just flick the paint on there and it looks like stars, kind of. So next I'm going to do a moon up in the corner here. The background, I'm going to do my cherry tree in the front. Now I'm just doing these branches as kind of an outline of where I'm going to put my cherry blossom flowers. Okay, so now I finished the petals on the ground, and I think we're almost done for this painting.